Hey everybody, it's Shane. This is a 95 M3 with S54 swap and a ZF 5-speed. Trying to diagnose a really bad vibration problem I'm having right now, almost like a knocking and clicking. I'm hearing from this transmission tunnel area. I'm gonna go in first here. Really can't hear it as much in first gear until I get into second gear, so let's get going. Put in second. I'm barely tipping in the gas. There's a sound. I'm gonna put the phone closer to the transmission tunnel. Really hear it. I can feel the vibration in the tunnel, right where my hand is. Off the gas, on it again. Alright, I'm at a yield sign. But it's when I get in the gas, it's a I know it sounds stupid, but that's the best way I can describe it. Going first gear again. Really not as bad as first gear. Second. Going third gear. It's almost like something is rotating and rubbing. It's maybe not like a knocking sound, but almost like a rotational rubbing of like metal on metal, it sounds like. I'm not sure if it's coming from within the transmission itself or within the drive line or something like that, but it's really weird. I'm gonna keep going here. First gear. Stall. Awesome. Second gear. Feeling it in the transmission tunnel. I gotta make a turn here in the sub. Go into third gear. When I coast, it's not. Second gear, I'm barely in the gas. Hear it clicking. I'm gonna try to get it in third. I can really hear it bad in third. Second gear. When I'm off the gas, it stops. On the gas. Off the gas, coasting. Tipping in a little bit. Get up past these bumps. Off the gas, coast. On the gas.